Hello all. Today I am dealing with two propositions. Actually, the second one is an exercise question. So let's move on to the proposition. It says that regularity is a hereditary property. Okay. So for proving this proposition, we are considering a regular space capital X and a subspace of X which is named as capital Y. Okay. Let small y belongs to capital Y, and we are considering a closed subset of y, that is D, which does not contain the small y. Small yകൾ കണ്ടെയ്ൻ ചെയ്യാത്ത ഒരു ക്ലോസ്ഡ് സബ്സെറ്റ് ഓഫ് y നമ്മൾ കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്യുകയാണ് ക്യാപിറ്റൽ D. Then we can say that D is of the form C intersection y, where C is a closed subset of X. അപ്പോൾ ഡിനെ സി ഇൻ്റർസെക്ഷൻ വൈ എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഫോമിൽ നമുക്ക് എഴുതാൻ പറ്റും. വേർ സി എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എന്താണ്? എക്സിൻ്റെ ഒരു ക്ലോസ്ഡ് സബ്സെറ്റ് ആണ്. ഓക്കെ. നോട്ട് ദാറ്റ് വൈ ഡസ് നോട്ട് ബിലോങ്സ് ടു സി. ഫോർ അതർവൈസ് വി ക്യാൻ സേ ദാറ്റ് വൈ ബിലോങ്സ് ടു ഡി. ഹെൻസ് by regularity of X we can say that there exist open sets u comma v in X such that y belongs to capital U, C subset of V, and U intersection V is a null set. So let G is equal to U intersection Y and H is equal to V intersection Y. Then we can say that G and H are open in the relative topology on Y. Right. Okay. Also Y belongs to G. Then D subset of H. D is a proper subset of H, and G intersection H is a null set. So we got all the properties to say that Y is regular with the relative topology. So this states that regularity is a hereditary property, right? Okay, so that is the proof for the proposition which says regularity is a hereditary property. Now we are moving on to the second proposition, which says that normality is not hereditary. So the first proposition was to prove that regularity is a hereditary property, but here we say that normality is not hereditary. So for proving this, we show that any non-normal topological space is a subspace of a normal space. Okay. Actually, this proof is not very satisfying because the normal space in which our given normal space is a subspace which is vacuously normal. Okay. So consider y comma u be any non-normal topological space and let infinity be a symbol that is not an element. Okay. The underlying set for the new space we are constructing will be H is equal to y intersection the symbol infinity. We define a topology tau on X by tau is equal to u intersection the set X. So note that the subspace topology on Y in this space just equals U. So our original normal space y comma u is a subspace of the first topology we have taken, that is X comma tau. Right. To see that X comma tau is normal, note that the only open set in this space that contains the new point infinity is X itself. Okay. In other words, every non-empty closed set in this space contains infinity. This means that there are no pairs of disjoint non-empty closed sets, and so the space is vacuously normal. Okay, so this is the proof for the second proposition, that is, which says that normality is not hereditary. So this is the end of my class. Thank you.